might have noticed something very concerning in Nepal's economy. Everything around us feels very expensive, yet the businesses are still struggling. And what if Nepal is showing the signs of something that economists fear the most about? Stagflation. Now, what is stagflation? Stagflation usually happens when two bad things occur at the same time. Prices keep on rising while the economy stops growing. Due to the rising conflicts in Middle East and the decreasing value of Nepali rupees against the US dollar are making imports even expensive. And since Nepal is an import dependent country, it's almost very sure that when value of imports rise, prices in local market would rise automatically. And at the same time, many people are cutting back on spending. Restaurants, clothing stores and small businesses are not seeing the same amount of consumer flow that they used to see at the very same time previous year. Purchasing power of people is shrinking and people are being less confident about their investment and spending. And even the stock market has struggled to generate excitement among people. Economics also talks about something called J-curve effect. When import prices rise, economy do not adjust overnight. It takes approximately 2 to 3 years before any benefit from the decreased value of our currency like increased exports outweigh the cost. The concern for Nepal is that we are already in a vulnerable economic position. And if we continue to tolerate rise in import costs without strengthening the domestic production, it could further weaken our economic resilience and reduce our ability to absorb future shocks. So, is Nepal already in stagflation? Not necessarily, but the warning signs are there. And the real question is, will we take the right steps now or wait until the problem becomes too costly to ignore? Follow for more.